going on, guys? This is Alex over here at My Freedom Smokes, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new pod system that we've gotten in. It's the Innokin DV Pod Kit, and I really like this one a good bit. There's a few things on it that don't really seem to make sense, but it really doesn't hinder the quality or how great it actually works. So let's take a look inside the kit and see everything we get. You're going to have your cutout for the device, and then on the left side, of course, you're going to have a little box full of all your little extra goodies, such as a little instruction manual showing you how to use the device, though there's really not much to learn. There's a lot of just multiple languages that you can find in here, but everything on this we'll be going through in this video. You're also going to get an additional replacement pod, so you do get 2 pods total. Both of them are rated at a 0.5 ohm. And you're also going to get your trusty micro USB charging cable that I'm sure you have just over flooding on your vaping desk right about now. And inside here you've got additional warranty and certificate of authenticity and all that good stuff. So that's going to be the full starter kit that you get when you order. And as I mentioned earlier, there's only one thing on this that seems a little counterintuitive and confusing. Since this is just a typical pod system, you can just take a pull on this and it'll start firing, as you see there. The thing that doesn't seem very intuitive to me is the fact that there's still a button on here that you can press and it'll also start firing. So most of the time, if a device like this has a button, that would be for an on-off and a firing. But if this is going to be something that's just auto draw, I understand if they still want to make it an on-off feature, but also making it to where this also fires the device doesn't seem very, logical to me, simply because you're going to be putting this device in your pocket and this is going to be a travel device. So the least amount of buttons on here that could be pressed and vape while it's in your pocket seems like it would be the best bet. So, of course, just the work around that, just make sure and turn it off before you put it in your pocket, just to make sure that it's not going to auto fire on you. And again, you can just do that by clicking the button 5 times fast and you're going to see the light flash. You can also click it 5 times again to turn it right back on. There is one more little button right here, which I feel they could have just kept this and it'd be just fine. But this also does adjust your wattage. So most of your pod devices aren't going to have adjustable wattage, especially a smaller one like this. It's mainly just going to read what the resistance of your coil is, match it to the power of the battery, and output as such. But this, though, you do have the option of a few different wattages. By pressing that button, you press and hold it, and you'll start seeing it cycle through your different options. Press and hold it until you find the right one you want. You've got 12, 13, 14, and 15. I've been running it just at a 12 watt because I'm using Nic salts in here with about a 50-50 mix. And it really does give some really good flavor and good vapor too. For everything involved, it's a really easy to use and intuitive little kit. Even refilling it is super easy. You've got a little latch right down here at the bottom for a rubber stopper. You just pop that up and you get your hole to refill your liquid, push it back in, and you're good to go. Just as easy as that. And then when you reinstall your pod, if you look on the device, this side is completely flat and this side has that little cutout. So make sure and look at your pod and find the side that has the cutout. That way when you put it in, it fits just like a little puzzle piece. And once you're back in, you're ready to vape again. I really would recommend this one for someone looking to get into pod systems. If someone is maybe an advanced vape user that looks for something on the go, or even if you're just trying to kick that nasty analog habit and just want something that's going to be small and give you a good mouth to lung inhale, I definitely recommend the DV Pod from Innokin. And if you have any questions about this product at all, just feel free to leave a comment below. And until next time, thank you for vaping.